Have you ever wondered how the delicious sausage on your plate is actually made? Today, we invite you on an incredible behind-the-scenes journey, starting from high-tech pig farms and ending on the production lines of modern sausage factories. It's a tale of science, precision, and craftsmanship, where every step is carefully designed to deliver the flavor and quality we all enjoy. Join us as we uncover the secrets of how pigs are raised, processed, and turned into billions of sausages every year. We begin at large-scale pig farms, where tens of thousands of pigs are raised under strict scientific management. These pigs are fed a nutritious diet and undergo regular health checks to ensure optimal growth. Modern pig farming has embraced advanced technologies like automatic feeding systems, climate-controlled barns, and even artificial intelligence to monitor the pig's health. This helps farmers reduce disease risk and optimize growth rates. Once the pigs reach the ideal weight, usually around 100 to 120 kilograms after 5 to 6 months, they are carefully transported to processing plants. This transport is handled with extreme care to minimize stress and preserve meat quality. At the processing plant, pigs are slaughtered humanely according to strict hygiene and food safety standards. Only the best cuts, shoulder, rump, and tenderloin, are selected for sausage production. These cuts are then trimmed of fat and sinew to prepare for grinding. The meat is ground and mixed with a blend of flavorful spices like pepper, garlic, salt, MSG, and other secret ingredients unique to each brand. The result is a perfectly seasoned sausage mix. Next, the mixture is stuffed into either natural or collagen casings using high-precision automated machines. These sausages are then steamed or smoked, depending on the type, to achieve the signature taste and texture. Once cooked, the sausages are quickly chilled and vacuum sealed to lock in freshness. They're then shipped to supermarkets, restaurants, or exported to markets around the world. Sausages are one of the most popular foods globally. They can be grilled, boiled, pan-fried, or used in countless recipes. With growing consumer demand, the sausage industry continues to evolve, adopting biotechnology and AI to improve quality and efficiency. New trends like organic sausages, preservative-free sausages, and even plant-based sausages are capturing the market, offering healthier options for modern diets. Pig farming isn't just about food. It also plays a crucial role in the agricultural economies of many countries. Today's mega farms can raise hundreds of thousands of pigs while using cutting-edge technology to ensure consistent quality and sustainability. Piglets are given special care from birth. They nurse from their mothers in the early weeks, then transition to a high-protein diet designed for rapid growth. AI systems monitor temperature, humidity, and feeding schedules for each pig, reducing disease risk and maximizing growth. Once pigs are sent to the factory, the slaughtering takes place in sterile, automated environments. Only the leanest cuts are selected for sausages, ensuring the perfect balance of taste and texture. The selected meat is immediately frozen to preserve freshness, then moved to the processing stage. Meat is ground with an ideal lean-fat ratio to maintain juiciness without being greasy. Spices are added: salt, pepper, garlic, sugar, MSG, and proprietary blends depending on brand recipes. There are many types of sausages: smoked, spicy, cheesy, pork, beef, all created through variations in ingredients and preparation methods. Stuffed sausages go through steam or smoking stages for final cooking. Modern sausage factories are fully automated, producing millions of units daily under strict temperature and humidity controls. Smart sensors detect any errors in real time, ensuring consistent quality. After cooking, sausages are flash-cooled and vacuum-packed or sealed with nitrogen to extend shelf life. The final product goes through one last quality inspection before being distributed to consumers. Sausages are loved all over the world, from Europe and America to Asia. Japan and Korea have their own unique sausage styles. Big names like Johnsonville, Oscar Mayer, Herta, France, CP Foods, Thailand, and Visan, Vietnam, offer distinctive products tailored to local tastes. German sausages like bratwurst, frankfurters, and Thüringer are often smoked and served with bread. Italian pepperoni, fermented and spicy, is a pizza favorite. Japanese mini sausages with crisp casings are a breakfast staple. Vietnamese sausages, often made with pork or beef and filled with cheese or corn, offer a chewy, sweet, savory experience. As the food industry grows, sausage varieties are becoming more diverse. Health-conscious consumers are turning to organic and preservative-free options. Vegan sausages made from wheat, soy, and other plants are gaining traction. AI, robotics, and blockchain are being integrated to trace product origins and optimize every step of the supply chain. The journey from pig farm to factory floor is a marvel of modern agricultural engineering. So the next time you bite into a juicy sausage, remember the incredible journey behind it. From the farm to the factory to your plate. Thanks to innovation and dedication, the sausage industry continues to deliver taste, safety, and variety to tables around the world. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of food production. I just read an article and found out that every year humans consume 1.5 trillion chicken eggs. Yes, you heard that right. 1.5 trillion eggs. That's right, eggs. Those tiny, fragile, easy to break things somehow carry the massive responsibility of feeding the entire world. While you're enjoying your sunny side up breakfast, somewhere out there, a high-tech chicken farm is in full swing. Over 1 million egg queen hens are working tirelessly, laying up to 800,000 eggs a day, a number that might just make superheroes feel underachieving. And if you think that's thanks to human hands, think again. Here, everything runs on super smart automation, From feeding, premium mineral water supply, to temperature regulation according to the latest trend. If hens chill, hens lay. Welcome to the egg-laying paradise, where chickens don't crow, they produce. Each feathered resident here lives in ultra-clean conditions with ideal temperatures, custom lighting that follows their natural rhythms, and most importantly, peace and quiet for optimal egg productivity. Every inch of the farm is monitored by sensors, AI, and automated systems. No need for hens to cluck for service. The system's already on it. Scheduled feeding, automated water dispensers, exhaust fans, climate control, you name it. All the hens have to do is lay eggs on time, like clockwork. And so the birth of each pearl-white gem begins. As soon as an egg is laid, it gently rolls onto a conveyor belt. No bumping, no dropping, no drama. From here on out, no human hands involved. Every action, from collection to sorting, is done by machines with Swiss watch precision. The eggs head straight to the grading station, skipping the waiting lines like VIPs. There they're scanned with candling lights and UV tech to check for cracks, impurities, or, let's say, a bad egg attitude. If a flaw is found, even a tiny one, the egg is politely sent to the processing division for alternative career paths. The eggs that pass inspection, they're off to the spa. Yes, a literal egg spa. Here they get washed with warm water or ozone, a chemical-free cleansing process that's gentle and effective. Then they're dried with warm air, soft like a summer breeze. Some facilities go the extra mile by applying a thin layer of mineral oil to keep the eggshells hydrated. Think of it as moisturizing cream, but for eggs. All this happens in a closed, sterile environment with not a single human touch. Clean, safe, and ready for prime time. Clean, strong, and radiant, the eggs are ready for their grand debut. Robotic arms gently nest each egg into its tray, and packaging begins, tailored to meet the standards of different markets worldwide. But the tech doesn't stop there. Some systems even integrate QR codes for each batch, giving you access to everything: the hen house it came from, the day it was laid, how it was washed, warm bath or ozone bubbles, all visible with a quick scan. Finally, the eggs are placed in a refrigerated transport systems, making their way to supermarkets, markets, and breakfast tables all over the globe. So you see, the journey of an egg, from nest to toast, is no longer a simple tale. It's the result of cutting-edge technology, strict protocols, and dedicated humans who believe that even the smallest things deserve the best care. Today, eggs aren't just food, they symbolize food safety, they're proof of smart agriculture, and a reminder that when humans and technology work in harmony, even something as simple as an egg becomes extraordinary. So next time you crack an egg, remember, you're holding a little miracle of modern science. And hey, if you enjoyed this journey as much as we did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow food lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing behind-the-scenes looks at how everyday things are made. Because who knows, maybe the next surprise is sitting right there in your kitchen.